What if I told you doctors are studying a simple tea that could be more powerful than some medications? A tea so potent that it is showing up in several medical studies. And no, it is not green tea or turmeric tea. This is something completely different, and the research will blow your mind. And this will not only help in reducing inflammation in your body, it can help you to lose weight as well as can support your thyroid health simultaneously. So if you're tired of inflammation controlling your life and you are looking for natural solutions that actually work, then you should stick around till the end of this video, because I'm going to share with you how to exactly prepare this tea that can help you in reducing inflammation instantly. Hi, I'm Dr. Anshul Gupta, a former Cleveland Clinic functional medicine physician from US. I help people improve chronic inflammation by making personalized functional medicine plans. So today I'm talking about this hibiscus tea, which has shown in research studies can help in reducing inflammation in several people. But more importantly, 90% of people prepare this hibiscus tea in the wrong fashion, and that's the reason it doesn't work for them. So today I'm going to share with you exact method of how to prepare it, specifically if you want to lower inflammation in your body. But first, let me share with you why hibiscus tea and not green tea and turmeric tea can be a game changer in reducing inflammation in your body. So hibiscus tea is caffeine free, calorie free, and it's packed with antioxidants like vitamin C, carotenoids, and also anthocyanins. The high amount of antioxidants, especially the anthocyanins, gives hibiscus tea a potent anti-inflammatory tag. In fact, a research study showed that regular consumption of hibiscus tea was able to lower the CRP level in people's body, which is an inflammation marker present in your blood. Now, these anthocyanins and polyphenols are the same compounds which are present in blueberries as well as tart cherries, but hibiscus tea has higher concentration of these antioxidant compounds. Especially these anthocyanins work on an enzyme called COX-2 enzyme. This is the same COX-2 enzyme on which your NSAID medications called ibuprofen also works on it. And obviously hibiscus tea, by working on this COX-2 enzyme, gives you improvement in your inflammation levels without giving you any side effects of using any prescription medications. Now you might say that the green tea and turmeric tea also have antioxidant compounds, but here's the problem with both the teas. The turmeric tea has something called curcumin, but the bioavailability of curcumin is very low. Whenever you're making turmeric tea, only 30% of curcumin gets absorbed, while anthocyanins in hibiscus tea are water soluble, so they are available immediately and easily in the form of tea for you to have anti-inflammatory benefit. The problem with the green tea is that along with antioxidant compound called EGCG, it also has high amount of caffeine. We have seen that for some people the caffeine actually makes inflammation worse in the body, and hibiscus tea doesn't have any caffeine into it and have very high amount of vitamin C as well as antioxidant compounds called anthocyanins. So thereby hibiscus tea has this advantage over the green tea. Now here's another advantage of the hibiscus tea. It was shown in a small research study that people who consumed hibiscus extract for 12 weeks, they were able to lose body weight. Specifically, they were able to lose that stubborn belly fat around their belly areas. So that's the reason it also helps in burning fat in your body. Another advantage of hibiscus tea was specifically lowering inflammation in your vascular tree. So it was shown that it is able to lower blood pressure in people by improving vascular inflammation in their body. But this is where the caution also comes. If you are already on blood pressure medications or your blood pressure tends to run on the lower side, then you have to be cautious when using this hibiscus tea. Now the most important part over here, how to best prepare this hibiscus tea to give you the anti-inflammatory benefit. So like green tea, most of the people are preparing hibiscus tea in the wrong fashion, and that's the reason they don't see the benefit. So what is the best way to prepare it? So specifically for hibiscus tea, you need boiling water and not just warm water, because the heat is needed to extract the maximum anthocyanin compounds from the hibiscus tea. And you need to let those hibiscus flowers seep in the tea for a minimum of 7 minutes, because that's the amount of time it is needed to extract those antioxidant compounds. And you need a minimum of 1 tablespoon of dried hibiscus flower per cup of water that you use. Most people are using much less than that. And then when you are leaving your hibiscus flowers to steep in the water, make sure you are covering the containers so that a lot of the antioxidant compounds do not get lost. Another trick over here to know whether the tea has been prepared properly or not is the taste test. Taste your hibiscus tea, and if it is tasting like tart cherry, then that is the right preparation. But if it tastes weak or watery, then it has not been prepared properly. So basically you take 1 cup of boiling water and then you add 1 tablespoon of dried hibiscus tea flowers into it. You let it seep for 7 minutes. Make sure you are covering the container and let it seep over there. Then after 7 minutes, you strain the tea and there you will have your 1 cup tea ready. What is the best time of consuming it? The best time to consume it is empty stomach. Either you can do it in the morning time or you can do it in the afternoon time also. Now, some of my clients have been very innovative in using these inflammatory tea. Now, they will start their morning with maybe a turmeric and a ginger tea, and they will use a hibiscus tea later on in the day. So they will get benefit of all of these anti-inflammatory teas. So you can combine all of these teas and share your experience in the comment section of what benefits you saw with them. So if you're struggling with chronic inflammation and trying various ways, hibiscus tea can be one of the other ways that can be a game changer in improving your inflammation levels, all natural ways. So try it for a couple of weeks, combine it with an anti-inflammatory diet as well as anti-inflammatory supplement like Inflamma-Pro, which we have prepared, and see if you're able to reduce your inflammation by improving your joint pain, you're improving your digestion, improving your bloating, as well as improvement in your energy or not. I hope you like this video. If you do, please like and subscribe to my channel so you keep on getting this information in the future also, as well as share this video with others who can benefit from this great information. Until next time, take care. Bye-bye.